What's up, Voyagers? Today we're getting you set up with OpenChat, a community-owned platform like Slack, WhatsApp, or Facebook Messenger. All right, let's go. First thing, we're gonna go to OpenChat, which is oc.app. We're now on the landing page. On the top right, you're gonna go and click Launch App, or in the left side of the page, you can click Launch App there as well. And once we get to the Exploring Communities page, we're gonna go to the hamburger menu on the left, which is the main menu, and drop it down and hit Sign In. And then it's gonna give you the option to sign with Internet Identity. If you don't already have Internet Identity, you can get set up by checking out our video below. We're already set up, so we're just gonna go and click that. We're gonna be redirected. As you can see here, my number's already typed in. You might have to type yours in. You might be able to sign in with a biometric scan or a security key, but here I'm using my phone, and you might have to turn on Bluetooth first, just a heads up. So I'm gonna scan that now. So once you do that, it'll say you're connected, and then it should redirect you to OpenChat. Once you're back to OpenChat, it's gonna have you sign up, so you're gonna pick a username. Now, pick whatever username's comfortable for you. Once you've created your username, you can fill in if someone referred you, so put your friend, or you can put the swap, that's me. Might ask if you want to enable notifications, completely up to you. I always enable notifications myself. So now we're back to the Explore Communities page, and you've officially set up OpenChat. There's a lot of great community options here. As you can see, you can scroll through it. Just to demonstrate, I'm gonna show you how to join the swap and the Voyagers Lounge, because we brought you this video here today, so you can join our community. You're gonna type in the swap, and that's the space SWOP, and you'll see our community at the top here. Once you click that, it's gonna open up to our community page, and you'll have to click Join Channel, where you'll then start seeing all the chats. One of the things with using decentralized platforms is you might see a lot of rewards or prizes, and that's typically put together by a bunch of different communities, and then we were prompted to agree by the chat rules for our community. The nature of using a decentralized platform, it's not ruled by a specific corporation. So it's up to the community to set their own rules. And you as a user have the right to opt in or out. So I mentioned rewards, and you may even get tipped. So I'm gonna show you how to access your wallet where you could find those. So go to the top left hamburger menu, click that, scroll over to wallets, the top option, and then now you have the wallet on screen. So in your wallet, you can configure it and see all these different ecosystem tokens or add other ecosystem tokens to it. Or you can send things like CKBTC or ICP or even chat. As you can see, there's a lot of great things about OpenChat. And if you have any questions, drop those below and we'll help you out. Till next time, we'll see you around.